Hello guys. Today my name is Laureen. And today we're gonna play tokaboka. And it's about building the house. So let's start. So here we're gonna go to the tokaboka. And this is my house and it's so beautiful. And this is the first time coming here. Like, look how empty. Never mind of that. Okay, now let's decorate the bedroom first. So, yeah, wait. Okay, right there. There's
Guys, I'm gonna come to see what my sister's gonna do.
Okay, and maybe two more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, there's one more. Is there anyone? Oh yeah, there. And we can't forget the closet, of course. Where? So which closet? Not that. I want like a big closet because I think I'm gonna choose this if I don't mind. Yeah, and I think this one also so that we can have more space. And maybe that. So I think this is so cute. And also that. So this is that. Okay, anyway. So now, I think this should be the kitchen because it's so big and the kitchen can be big also. No. Anyway, so oopsies. Let me try that. Let me just see it. Okay, that's good. And this one might be for the dessert. Dessert. Okay, that's good. Now that one. I think that will be better because and also
Laureen, I have an idea. How about go to?
Okay, no, not that. Maybe let me just. Okay, Okay, now the chairs, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 5. And okay, since it's like done, let's like put the rest of them, like the oven, that one, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Now you have to like open those, yeah, as you know, and also that. So this will be the food, and the other one will be, the dessert. Here we have waffle, and here we have bacons. What else we have? Shrimp, mushroom, mango, onion, that beetroot, as you know. Let's see whether there's anything else. That one, we can't forget about that. And that one. Okay, wait. Now let me open the other side so that, the watermelon, that one. Now. Okay, anyway. This one. And that one. That one. And let the bottom be the drink so that if you get thirsty, let's just do this, that, and that. And let's see what it is anymore. Okay, there's that. Okay, since we finished it, let's close it. Yep. Now let's that thing I forgot what is it called. Okay, anyway. Now I'm gonna put that. Yeah, wait. Okay. Now,
That is not the kitchen.
that one is the, where is it? Okay, let's just put that here so that if you need anything. Okay, let's put that here. I'm just gonna put all of them, I don't care. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My God, why isn't that coming? Okay, finally. Okay, now let's close that. Wait, where's that? Okay, let's just put that here. Now let's close it. Okay. Now this will be the cups and all, I think, yeah. Also the plate. That. And, that, I guess. And maybe that's it. Yeah. Now let's do the dessert. So the dessert will be like something yummy, like a lollipop or something. Yeah. So I'm gonna take every tier. Okay. Maybe that. That. This one. That one. This is also a tray. Because for dog and cat, you know. What else? Okay, there's a lot of treat here. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. Now let's do the other one. Okay. Let's do this house because it's so cute. Also, this cake is someone's birthday. That one, holiday, chicken, lollipop. I think that's it. Let's see what I do. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do the clothes later. So this will be you know, the washroom. Yeah, it's because it's so small now.
Yeah, because our bathroom is so small.
Okay, so let's put that here. Okay, I think this is good. Maybe that one. Yep, that one. And now that toilet. I think this one's so cute. You know. Okay. And now what do you need? Oh yeah.
Two?
Nope. And let's open that so that you can put all of the things. What do we need? Perfume, cream, what else in there? That, that one, I'm gonna just put it right here so that if you want it. Wait, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that. Okay, I think that's it. And this, I think it will be the sofa, and it's gonna be so beautiful. So, you know. Okay, that's enough for the people. And let's see some toys or something. If someone wants, no, I don't need that. Anyway, if someone needs to, you know, play, and also that, because maybe someone wants to play, you know. Okay, and we can't forget the ball because it's so important. Alright, and now the TV. That's the most important part in the world. Oh yeah, let's get some snacks. Okay, let's put that here. Wait. Sorry about that, guys. So that's the machine and all, you know. And where's the TV? I'm gonna put the old TV because I don't have any choice of those. Okay, so now outside I'm gonna put the plants because it will be more beautiful. Okay, like that. Like that. Yep, maybe that. And that one is so cute. Okay, since you're done with everything, now I'm gonna get all of the clothes. So let's go to some clothes, by the way. So actually, I don't have time for this. So I think this is the end of the video. So bye!